It is beyond the scope of this course to present a detailed discussion of how to program a microprocessor in machine language. Still, it is useful to investigate in a general way what the software must do. A digital controller is a computer operating in real time. This means that the program is running all the time, repeatedly taking in the newest sensor data and then calculating a new output for the actuator. The basic structure of a controller program is a loop. In a loop structure, the same sequence of instructions is executed over and over again, and each pass through the loop is called an iteration, or scan. This slide shows a generalized controller program, and an explanation of the program follows. The program reads in the set point data. Recall that the set point is the desired position of the control variable. This data could be read in from an input port or from memory. The memory directs the computer to read from a sensor the actual value of the control variable. The actual data are subtracted from the set point to get the error. Based on the error data, the computer calculates a new actuator control signal. The new output is sent to the actuator. The program loops back to step 1 and starts over again if there is no time delay in the program. The time it takes for the computer to execute one pass through the loop determines the interval time between input readings, known as the sampling rate. If this interval is too long, the computer may not get an accurate picture of what the control variable is really doing. Execution of the loop can be accelerated by specifying a faster computer or streamlining the program. In other situations, the computer must pause and wait. For example, a pause might be inserted to give an operator time to make some adjustments, or to allow time for the motor to spin down. This is done by inserting time delay loops in the program. A time delay loop is simply a do-nothing wheel-spinning loop, where the computer is instructed to count up to some large number. Using this technique, we can make the program pause for any length of time, from a few microseconds to hours. If a time delay loop is inserted in the main program loop, the effect is to slow the cycle time of the main loop. This is sometimes done to force matching of the sample rate to some predetermined value. At one time, people thought that the best and most efficient microprocessor programs were those written directly in assembly language. That is, the programmer would directly select the machine language instructions. Today, sophisticated programs, called compilers, can convert a program written in a high-level language, primarily C, into very efficient machine language. High-level languages use English-sounding words and a set of powerful commands to specify simple and complicated programming operations with a minimum of instructions. Using a high-level language to write programs for a microprocessor offers big advantages, such as more compact program listing, ease of writing equations, and more comprehensive documentation. Also, programs written in a high-level language can be compiled to run on any model of microprocessor.